guys, it's me Veronica and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a little short today and I am joined by my now 1-year-old baby girl Lyric. She is excited about receiving her first mini BFF. Now this is package number 1 of 2 that will be shipping. I ordered from Global Infant, so this is that package. And I also ordered from JuJuBe, so I'm just waiting for JuJuBe to come. It should be in here in a couple of days. But this is kind of like just the first impressions. This is her first and my first time ever seeing a mini BFF. So we're going to get right into it. If you're interested in watching this first impression / unpackaging, then stay tuned. Okay, so we're just going to rip this open. I took everything off already. And this is oh, this is cute. They gave me a little keychain, a wristlet. So cute. Ooh, that is pretty. I was hoping I got the sky for her. Like I said, I'm still waiting for the mini BRB from JuJuBe, so that'll be here in a couple of days. This is super cute. Oh, wow. Look at it, Lily. It's so nice. Oh, she's excited. Oh, that is so cute. You can't wait to wear it. So this is my print placement. It is so adorable. Look at that little guy. He's so cute. And sorry, because I don't know any of the unicorns' names, so. But I am so happy that Sandy is at least on the back. That's one of my favorite Tokidoki characters. All right, we're gonna open it on up. Oh. Yeah, it's so pretty. Now I see what everyone was talking about. This is hard to do this with a 1-year-old in your lap, but this little thing right here, and I don't have any fingernail clippers to take this off with. Oh, guys, I got it off, and it was hell trying to get off, but I got it. I see why they did it like that, you know, to prevent people, like if they don't like something about a bag, but then they take the strap out and try to send it back. I mean, I've never had that happen, but I can see why they would do that. And this is the long strap that can be worn backpack style or crossbody. Oh, look at that lining. It's so cute. And then a little pocket in the front. And it just has a pocket in the back. Yeah. But yeah, there again, that's my print placement. Well, her print placement. And we're waiting for our BRB to come in the mail. Can't wait to see what that looks like. This is super cute. I didn't think I was gonna get the sky. I thought I was gonna get more of the campground. That's the side. Oh, this side has Donatella and Kaiju. This is so cute. Super cute. And underneath. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to be coming out with another video as soon as I get my mini BRB, do a first impressions on that. Probably some packing videos coming soon, and for sure I will be making videos pertaining to my business where I'm making some products. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.